Hi, I'm Eric, and today I'm here to discuss the quinolone and fluoroquinolone. To start with, quinolone carboxylic acid derivatives are synthetic antibacterial agents. Nalidixic acid and oxalinic acid have been used to treat UTIs for years, while flumequin has been used to manage intestinal infection in livestock. Many broad-spectrum antibacterials are made by modifying 4-quinolone ring structures. For its classes, it is generally known as quinolones or 4-quinolones. These drugs are generated from various similar ring structures: ciprofloxacin, donofloxacin, diflofloxacin, enflofloxacin, marbofloxacin, norflofloxacin, orbifloxacin, pradofloxacin, sarafloxacin are approved quinolone carboxylic acid. Nalidixic acid, a first-generation drug, is a first quinolone. In general, the following generations are based on spectrum, but this typically reflects similar changes in chemical structure. Subsequent drugs include a fluorine group are called fluoroquinolones. The second-generation drugs include ciprofloxacin and numerous veterinary drugs. A later generation drug approved for cats or dogs is pradofloxacin. For its general properties, quinolones have antimicrobial functional groups. The quinolone nucleus has a carboxylic acid group at the position 3 and exocyclic oxygen, which is thought to be DNA generase binding site. Generally, quinolones are amphoteric and have poor water solubility at pH 6 to 8. Although the influence on therapeutic efficacy isn't clear, they appear to operate as weak base in acid than non-acidic urine pH. Some quinolones form needle-shaped crystals in concentrated acidic urine. However, it hasn't been recorded in any clinical usage. Antimicrobial activity. For its mode of action, quinolones inhibit bacterial topoisomerase 2 and 4. Bacterial DNA supercoils and then uncoils during replication. Supercoiling needs temporary nicks that sealed when DNA polymerase passes. Topoisomerase 2 nicks DNA to promote coiling and uncoiling. Topoisomerase 4 aids in chromosomal separation. Inhibiting topoisomerase reduces supercoiling and DNA repair. Mammalian topoisomerase enzymes are not susceptible to quinolone inhibitable, unlike bacterial generase. Quinolones are bactericidal, and it causes post-antibiotic effects on gram-negative bacteria. Fluoroquinolones can exhibit antibactericidal actions at low concentration. However, its effectiveness towards some species, example is E. coli, it is a bimodal. Antimicrobial spectra. Fluoroquinolones are effective against gram-negative and gram-positive organisms. This includes E. coli, Salmonella, Enterobacter, and many more. Negram, Sinovac are first-generation quinolone antibacterial agents. However, they are rarely used nowadays. The second-generation quinolone antibiotics are effective against gram-negative bacteria, like the first-generation antibiotics, and they are also susceptible to Pseudomonas species. In addition, they cover gram-positive bacteria like Staphylococcus aureus. The third and fourth generation fluorinated quinolones, such as pradofloxacin, have an excellent anaerobic spectrum. Quinolones with beta-lactams, aminoglycosides, clindamycin, and metronidazole synergizes in vitro. Pharmacokinetic features. For its absorption, quinolones are usually administered orally. However, enflofloxacin and ciprofloxacin are available for IV, IM, and SC administration. Absorption into the blood after IM or SC administration is rapid, but oral administration, blood concentration usually peak within 1 hour to 3 hours. In monogastric animals, food might delay absorption, reducing its efficacy. Dose oral bioavailability of ciprofloxacin is low as 40%. For its excretion, most quinolones are emitted through renal excretion. Both tubular and glomerular secretion are implicated. 24 hours after administration, urine concentrations are high and crystal and may form in concentrated acidic urine. And that is all about quinolones and fluoroquinolones. I hope you have learned a lot in this video and thank you.